You've been told that balancing your hormones is complicated, that you need a long list of superfoods, supplements, and complicated protocols just to feel good again. But what if I told you there's one game-changing food your body is desperately craving, and most women aren't eating it at all? Today, I'm breaking down why this one food might just be one of the most important for your hormone health, why you're likely not consuming enough of it, and how to easily add it into your diet for massive results. Hey, I'm Evelyn, a holistic wellness coach specializing in women's hormone health and fertility, but here we go beyond that, from balancing hormones to mastering your emotions and embracing feminine energy. This is your space for all things holistic wellness, empowerment, and transformation. Get ready to reclaim your confidence, elevate your energy, and step into your most magnetic self. If that speaks to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and welcome to the channel. Before we dive in, I want to quickly mention that I'm not a medical doctor and this video is for educational purposes only. This is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making any health changes. Now let's get into it. Okay, so what's this one food? Beans. Yes, simple beans. The reason beans are so incredible is because they are the richest source of soluble fiber, a type of fiber that is absolutely essential for hormone health. You see, soluble fiber binds to fat-soluble waste, including excess hormones, metabolic byproducts, and environmental toxins, and it helps escort them out of the body rather than letting them get reabsorbed. Since fiber can't be absorbed, only eliminated, anything that binds to it gets eliminated too. So soluble fiber acts like a gentle sponge in your gut, soaking up those excess hormones like estrogen and testosterone and helping your body eliminate them safely. And why is this so important? Because when your body can't efficiently clear out excess hormones, those used up hormones and waste products start to accumulate, wreaking havoc on your system and contributing to issues like estrogen dominance, which is linked to symptoms like PMS, heavier painful periods, weight gain, bloating, mood swings, fatigue, and more. And if you want to know if you're actually dealing with estrogen dominance, you should definitely check out this video next to find out for sure. Soluble fiber is also a powerful prebiotic, which helps to feed the good bacteria in your gut, supporting digestion, immune function, and hormone regulation. Beans like black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans, cannellini beans, chickpeas, and lentils are some of the richest sources of soluble fiber. But here's the catch. Most women aren't eating nearly enough beans or other sources of soluble fiber. Modern diets tend to be low in fiber and overloaded with processed carbs and sugar, a combination that can wreak havoc on gut health and hormone balance. And with today's health trends favoring high protein and high fat diets, fiber, something absolutely essential, often gets left behind or completely overlooked. Yet fiber is one of the very things that helps keep hormone levels in check, supports detoxification, and feeds your gut microbes, which play a massive role in hormone regulation. So when fiber is missing, it's not just digestion that suffers, it's your entire hormonal ecosystem. If you're struggling with hormonal issues like PMS, hot flashes, mood swings, or painful periods, adding beans to your daily meals is a simple, affordable, and effective step you can take. Try adding them in salads, soups, stews, or even blended into dips. Or swap out your usual rice, potatoes, or pasta for beans to mix things up. If you need some meal inspiration, definitely check out my 7-day meal plan and my 6-week self-guided program, the Mind Body Hormone Refresh. I included many delicious bean-based recipes in both, and you'll find those links in the description box below. Beans also provide protein, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that support hormone synthesis and blood sugar balance, 2 essential pillars of healthy hormone function. So to recap, soluble fiber, especially from beans, supports better gut health, better hormone clearance, better mood, and more balanced energy. Start small if you're not used to beans or eating a high fiber diet, maybe a quarter or half a cup a day, and work your way up to a full serving. You might notice improvements in your digestion, mood, and hormone related symptoms in just a few weeks. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you currently eat beans regularly? Have you noticed a difference in your hormones or digestion when you do? And if not, will you be trying them? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay connected, come hang out with me on Instagram and TikTok. You can follow me there for more tips and delicious recipes. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.